friends, it's Yvette. So last night I was browsing through my Women's Day magazine and I came across this page, this project right here, and I said to myself, I have to make that. That is way cool. So this morning I came into my craft room and I found this frame. It's not black, but it is old and beat up. You can see the scratches there. So I grabbed that one, and then I grabbed some 110-pound cardstock and I cut it the size of the frame, which was a 5x7. And then I found this doily, one of many doilies that I have, and I wrapped it around the cardstock, pulled it nice and tight, and taped it up. Then, so now I'm going to place it in here, and it should fit nice and snug. Make sure it's all the way in. There we go. And then I kept looking through my stash. I think I want it this way or that way. Let's do it this way. Yeah, this is the side I want. And then I found this big old spider that Tammy gave me. Thank you, Tammy. She gave it to me at a swap that we did one time with pocket letters. But anyway, I put some glue dots in the back, and so here are my glue dots. I haven't used them in a while. So I got the glue dots in the back. Now I'm going to place it around, let's see, I think there should look cool. Press it down, push the paper up, make sure it doesn't fall out, and there you go. That is the quickest, easiest project I've ever made. I think it is so cool. I can't wait. I'm going to run downstairs and hang it up in the wall somewhere. So if you want a very quick and easy project, I'm sure you have an old frame at home, some doily, a spider, and there you go. And that's about it. Thanks, guys. I hope everyone's having a great day, and let me find the page for you. And I hope this inspired you to do a fun, quick, and easy project. Take care, everyone. Bye.